In. The apple is in the basket. In. The apple is in the basket. On. The picture is on the wall. On. The picture is on the wall. Under. The cat is under the chair. Under. The cat is under the chair. Between. The pencil is between the books. Between. The pencil is between the books. Into. He poured the juice into the glass. Into. He poured the juice into the glass. Beside. The phone is beside the laptop. Beside. The phone is beside the laptop. At. They are at the grocery store. At. They are at the grocery store. With. She is dancing with her sister. With. She is dancing with her sister. Behind. The girl is hiding behind the curtain. Behind. The girl is hiding behind the curtain. Above. The airplane is flying above the clouds. Above. The airplane is flying above the clouds. Next to. The lamp is next to the bed. Next to. The lamp is next to the bed. Across. The bridge is across the river. Across. The bridge is across the river. Near. The coffee shop is near the office. Near. The coffee shop is near the office. Around. They are running around the tree. Around. They are running around the tree. Inside. The shoes are inside the closet. Inside. The shoes are inside the closet. Outside. The dog is barking outside the gate. Outside. The dog is barking outside the gate. Over. The plane flew over the mountains. Over. The plane flew over the mountains. Through. The tunnel goes through the hill. Through. The tunnel goes through the hill. By. She is standing by the door. By. She is standing by the door. Along. They are cycling along the path. Along. They are cycling along the path. Among. The flowers are among the trees. Among. The flowers are among the trees. Off. The hat blew off his head. Off. The hat blew off his head. Before. She finished her homework before dinner. Before. She finished her homework before dinner. After. They walked in the garden after lunch. After. They walked in the garden after lunch. Toward. He ran toward the finish line. Toward. He ran toward the finish line. Down. The rain streamed down the window. Down. The rain streamed down the window. Up. The balloon floated up into the sky. Up. The balloon floated up into the sky. Past. The car drove past the park. Past. The car drove past the park. Within. The child is hidden within the drawer. Within. The child is hidden within the drawer. Without. He completed the task without any help. Without. He completed the task without any help. Upon. She stood upon the stage to give her speech. Upon. She stood upon the stage to give her speech. During. He fell asleep during the lecture. During. He fell asleep during the lecture. From. The letter is from my cousin. From. The letter is from my cousin.